Here are some psychedelic neuroscience facts that you probably don't even know. 25B-NB-OME, a psychedelic in which the safe dose, 1 microgram, does not elicit a psychedelic experience. But the dose that does elicit a psychedelic experience, 300 micrograms, is most often fatal. The endocannabinoid system is functionally linked to the serotonin system. Neurospheres, a small cluster of nerve stem cells that's grown in the laboratory. Neurospheres can be grown that are similar to normal human nerve tissue. Neurospheres are actually great for when you want to see what the effects of one psychedelic does to one cell. The retina is equivalent of only a 1 megapixel camera. Attenuated means having been reduced in force, effect, or value. For example, the effects of MDMA have been attenuated. White coat hypertension. Extra anxiety from being in a doctor or medical setting. This can affect a person's psychedelic trip, which is the reason why psychedelic labs don't look like medical settings and more like living rooms. People who have had a strong mystical experience in psilocybin sessions were more likely to be successful in quitting smoking. Neuroticism, the tendency to experience negative emotions such as sadness or anxiety, as well as mood swings. Those scoring high on neuroticism scales tend to worry or ruminate a great deal and are prone to having their feelings easily hurt. Neuroticism can also greatly influence a person having a bad or challenging trip while on psychedelics. Peduncular hallucinosis. It's a rare form of visual hallucinations that often are described as vivid, such as colorful visions of people and animals. There is an amplified effect of LSD while listening to music. Nearly all psychedelics modestly raise blood pressure and heart rate during their acute effects during a trip. High-low erection. Erection of bristling hairs due to involuntary contractions of small muscles at the base of hair follicles. It's a staple of psychedelics. Tachycardia, the medical term for a heart rate over 100 beats a minute. It's also a staple of some psychedelics. Persuavu, the intense feeling of being on the very brink of a powerful epiphany, insight, or revelation, without actually achieving the revelation. For some reason, this phenomena happens a lot during psychedelic trips. Quiescence, inactivity or dormancy. In psychedelic neuroscience, it's usually used to denote the end of a psychedelic experience. Dyschromatopsia, deficiency in color, congenital, or acquired using psychedelics. Psychedelics should actually be called psychotomimetic, which means psychosis mimicking. And if you want to know more facts about psychedelic neuroscience, then watch the YouTube video, which has 50 facts about psychedelic neuroscience you probably haven't even heard of.